guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to unpack the package that I got. So it's winter time, so I ordered a lot of sweaters and I am going to make my DIY sweater for the winter. So let's get it on. Guys, these are my sweaters. I'm going to make a DIY sweater. So, we'll see. So I have different kinds of colors. Blue. And that's it. So these are all my sweaters that I'm going to put with cake, and since it's winter, so I'm gonna use most of this on my vlogs. And I already had my designs, so I decided to put dogs on it. So it's already been printed and cut out, and I'm gonna put cake on the sweater. So these are all the designs. So I guess I ordered 28 pieces of sweater. So let me count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all in all, I have 28 sweaters. Alright, see you in a bit, guys. Hello guys, welcome back, and this time I am going to cook the transfer paper with my heat press so that the material will stick to my sweater. I hope everything will be fine, so let's get started. These are the finished product, guys. These are the finished product of my DIY cake sweater with dogs and cats. So I hope you like my video, guys, and I hope to see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.